Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create the no beard trend video which you see in TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card voucher to a random subscriber every week. Just subscribe and comment on my latest video for this week. Winners will be announced today at 6 p.m. So this trend has been going around TikTok for a while and everyone seems to be confused as they cannot find this effect in TikTok. And that is correct, as the effect is actually in Snapchat. So on your phone, open the Snapchat application. Now tap on the search icon at the top left. In the search bar, type no beard. Now tap on the first result which looks like a beard with a blue line going across. Now you can do a selfie or you can point it to anyone who has a beard and see the magic happen. I have a photo of a person with a beard and you can see the result. Record your video on Snapchat and then download your video to your phone. Now go to your TikTok app and then tap on the plus sign. Upload the video you downloaded from Snapchat. Now add your text, stickers and post it onto TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the no beard trend video on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.